Hello everyone, my name is Noralia Najwa binti Mama Anif. I am 12 years old and I am from SK Ramuan Cina Kecil MBA 0006. Reading is one of my favorite hobbies because it allows me to explore new world, learn valuable lessons and experience different perspectives. Books can take us on incredible adventures without even leaving our seat. They help us grow our imagination and improve our understanding of life. One of the books that truly touched my heart is Black Beauty. This book was written by Anna Sewell, an English novelist, best known for this one and only novel, which was first published in 1877. Even though it was originally meant for adults, Black Beauty has become one of the best-selling children's books of all time. It has touched the hearts of many readers with its strong message about kindness towards animals. The book I am reviewing today is published by Puffin Books. It is in English and was first published by Puffin Books in 1954. This version contains 276 pages. Now, let's dive into the story. Black Beauty is a story about a horse's journey through life, experiencing both kindness and cruelty from different owners. The story is told from Beauty's point of view, making it unique and emotional. Beauty is born in a beautiful meadow and raised by his mother Duchess and his first kind owner, Farmer Gray. When he grows up, he is sold to Squire Garden at Birdwich Hall, where he enjoys a good life with his new friend Ginger, a spirited mare, and Merryleg, a friendly pony. The stable is run by the Kerry coachman John Manley, and a young stable boy James. Unfortunately, Beauty's happy life doesn't last. When Mrs. Jordan becomes ill, Beauty is sold to Urshel Park, where he is forced to wear a painful bearing rein. Ginger suffers from the moss, and after rebelling, she is sold. Beauty's trouble continues when his careless rider Reuben Smith caused an accident that injured him, making him less valuable. Beauty is later sold to work as a cab horse in London, where he faced hard labor and exhaustion. He is lucky to have a kind owner, Jerry Baker, who treats him well. But many other horses suffer, including his old friend Ginger, who sadly dies from mistreatment after Jerry falls sick. Beauty is sold again and overworked until he collapses. Luckily, he is rescued by Farmer Thorogood, who cares for him in the end. Beauty finds a final home with Willie, the farmer's grandson, when he can live happily. The story teaches us to be kind to animals as they have feelings too. Beauty Journey reminds us that kindness and care can make a big difference in their life. Thank you for listening to my book review. I hope you will read Black Beauty and enjoy it as much as I did. Bye.